Oh, the bus bus. Sorry for the policy. You know, obviously there's a lot of trains, you know, track, guess where network for other people around the tracks. They've got to check the tracks, you know, make sure it's all intact. It can be very difficult, you know, manual work, a lot of human error. That's why it's just good. That's right, that is the new measurement train. It's the NMT, obviously configured by network rail as it shows on the train.
Actually says Cola Trail on there.
There.
But it does say network rail there.
So there's a lot of computer kit, a lot of, you know, technical stuff on this train, you know. You've got to make sure it's going well. Not just when you see it's moving up a bit. You've got to monitor the tracks at Cheltenham Spa to make sure it's safe for passenger train use. Get the flashes and puts it up into pretty notch form.
So I've got a question for you, Master Train Spotter. If that is network rail, why are the coaches yellow and why are the ends red?